Okay, before we play our matching game, I want to try one more practice with you. So here we have 14, and then we have brackets. I have 14 plus bracket, and then I have two parentheses. I have 3 plus 4 in parentheses, and then I have that times 4 minus 2 in parentheses. So what do? I have parentheses more than one. So right here, I know perform operations inside parentheses first, but look down here. My other ones tell me to go from left to right. So I'm going to do that same thing with my parentheses. I'm going to start with the left and I'm going to move to the right. So the very first one I'm going to do is this one, 3 plus 4. I'm going to figure out that parenthesis very first. All right, so here I've solved my first one. I have 3 plus 4 is 7, and now I have my second parentheses that I can do. So that's the next step that I'm going to do in my expression. All right, so here I solved my first parenthesis, and now I've solved my second parenthesis. 4 take away 2 is 2. So now I have 14 plus, and then inside my brackets, I have a 7 times 2. I still don't need to worry about step 2 or step 3 of my order of operations because I still need to worry about what are inside my brackets. So I need to figure out what 7 times 2 is. That's the next step in simplifying my expression. All right, I multiplied my 7 times my 2. That dropped my brackets, and so now I have 14 plus 14, which I can simplify to 28. So I took right up here with my brackets and parentheses, I used those order of operations to remember what to do. And I got all the way, let me get this in our picture, all the way down to one number. Okay, we are going to play a matching game next on Nearpod. We've done that before. Only a few problems to get us some little practice before we move on to our next thing. So please, we're going to pull at the end of the Nearpod. Give me our fist of 5. How are you feeling? 5, I've got it. I can teach this to my brother or my sister. 4, I've got it. 3 is I'm kind of getting there. And 2 is I need more practice. And number 1 is I don't understand this still. That's going to help me know what I still need to do to help you with our algebra. So enjoy our fun little matching practice. Not too much. It shouldn't take you very long. And I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Algebra is just finding these steps. It's like a mystery to find our mystery number there at the bottom. So, all right, guys,